Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify user permissions with Facebook. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify user permissions with Facebook, start by logging into your Facebook developer account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Apps section. Select the app you want to verify permissions for. In the left sidebar, click on App Review. Find the Permissions and Features section. Here, you will see a list of requested permissions. To check a specific permission, click on its name. This will display detailed information about that permission. Read the guidelines and requirements for verification. Next, gather the necessary information for the verification process. You may need to provide screencasts demonstrating your app's use of the requested permissions. Prepare a detailed explanation of how your app utilizes these permissions. Now, proceed to submit your app for review. Return to that app review page and click on Request Permissions. Fill out the required field, make sure to include any relevant documentation. After completing the form, click Submit for review. Wait for Facebook's response regarding your permission request. Check back in the app review section for updates on your submission. Once approved, you will receive confirmation from Facebook. If denied, carefully review the feedback provided. Make the necessary adjustments and resubmit your request. Always ensure compliance with Facebook's platform policies. This will help maintain your app's standing and ensure user trust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.